Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Bryan University and BUS220, Principles of Management. I'm Helen. I'm your instructor, and you may remember me from your last class. We are going to dive deeper into the principles of management in this class. We'll be exploring topics like organizing and controlling, group and team management, and other areas that will be of interest to you. I know they're going to be interesting. This course is writing intensive, so sharpen those pencils, get connected to a grammar checker, a spell checker, and make sure you hone your writing skills. We'll be talking about that in our first live session, which will be held on Wednesday, June 26th at either 6 a.m. Pacific time or 5 p.m. Pacific time on the same day. We'll have 4 live sessions this term, June 26th, July 10th, July 24th, and August 7th. Check your class under live meetings or live sessions or Zoom meetings for the exact days and times. Note well that on the day of July 24th, I know it's a month away, we will only be having an evening live session that day. It'll be fun, it'll be exciting, and I hope all of you come to all of our live sessions. We'll continue on learning in the usual style at Bryan University. You've got Learneds to do. You've got a book, make sure you register for it in Bookshelf. You've got assignments just about every week. And as I alluded to earlier, they're very writing intensive. So if you started a study group, they're going to come in really handy in this semester, in this term. You'll be able to work with each other, edit each other's papers, provide suggestions, and support for each other. It comes in really handy. I will see you at our first live session on June 26th, again at either 6 a.m. or 5 p.m. Pacific time. Do the math to get to your own time zone. Check the course schedule, and you'll be able to get into our meeting on time and be ready to participate. I look forward to seeing you all again. Have a great weekend.